Right, Ella is building a house in Montreal. The roof of the house must have a minimum slope or pitch. This is to allow the rain and the snow to slide off the roof more easily. The pitch of Ella's roof is 6 foot 12 inches. No, 6 in 12. The roof is 6 in 12. She draws the diagram below to show her house and marks the angle B. So 6 in 12 means the height is 6 and the distance along the flat is 12. So 6 and 12. Using the right angle triangle ABC, this one here, write down the value of tan of B as a fraction. Alright. So right, this is easier than it looks. Tan of B. What does tan mean? And we're looking at this angle here, B. What does tan mean? Sine means opposite over, can you remember? Hypotenuse. Cos means, can you tell me? You have to learn these. Adjacent over hypotenuse. And tan means opposite angle, opposite side over adjacent. So tan of this beta, B. Now we're going to use tan is opposite over adjacent. What's the opposite to B? What side is opposite to B? We're just talking about this triangle here. What side is opposite? What's the length of the side that's opposite B? Come on, Scott. No, what's the length of the side? What's the length of this side? That's opposite B. 6. See, opposite over adjacent. This is opposite. Adjacent, this is the hypotenuse, which is the longest one. So this is the opposite, this is hypotenuse. So this one is adjacent. The answer is opposite over adjacent. This is the formula. Tan means opposite over adjacent. 6 over 12. It's simple as that. The answer is a half. Right, that was a tricky question with a simple enough sort of solution. Calculate the measure of the angle B. Give your answer correct to the nearest degree. Right, so what we do is we use our calculator. Tan inverse 6 over 12. So we can use this number 6 over 12, but you use the calculator slightly differently this time. You go shift or second function, tan, and hit the fraction button, and we have 6 over 12. 6, down arrow key, over 12, bracket, equals 26.565. Give your answer correct to the nearest degree. So what will the 5 do here? Change it to 27. Did you get that? So if you have two sides of a triangle, you can use this second function, tan inverse, to get the angle. Find the length of the roof from A to B. Give your answer to two correct places, from A to B. We have this, which is 6, and we have 12. What's the theorem that we use? Can you remember? Six and 12. We use a theorem called Pythagoras theorem. Okay, what we do is we'd make boxes, 6 by 6, 12 by 12, and make a box out of this side. a square, I mean. The smaller two squares, the area of the smaller two squares added together will give me the area of this one. So what's 6 by 6? So the area in here is 36 in that box. What's the area of this box? 12 by 12?
144.
144. Now if you add 36 and 144 together, you get
180.
180. Now that's the area. So we have to get the square root of 180. It's 13.416. Now to 2 decimal places. 13.416 to 2 decimal places is 13.42. Okay. Now, have any of you got copies at all with you today?